class, madam yan. Sir, I have a question. We can keep more classes online, like how many people want to go to school. Hello, do not ask me any more questions for the rest of the class. Alright, sir, that's a 40. I am totally sick and tired of you and your foolishness. By the way, where is the homework? You didn't give me the homework. Homework? Sir, you know, sir, I left the homework in my yard. What? Left it in your yard? Where are you right now? Sir, the reason why I never send the homework is because I never want a virus from my computer reach your computer. And then you get corona. What time of foolishness? My computer cannot give me corona. Sir, but I will leave a virus computer bringing up. You know what? Let me talk to your mother. Tell her I want to talk to her right now. Watch your sir. I can't place a call. Hello? Lighter going? Hello, stop. Stop in your tracks right now. Sir, the master lighter going. JPS is not going to call you and tell us that I'm a cut out. I'm expecting for the homework. Especially online. Girl, Sasha answer her phone, you know, because she need to hear about it.
Cranny body girl Peaches.
Dirty girl Sasha,
Awa.
girl. I did have to go do it, girl. I did have to do
Well
it.
on, Peaches. This sound like breaking news. How you find out you're too good to the boy and poison him?
Hey,
Why?
stop!
What?
Girl, it's too bad. I know that me did talk about Sasha.
Then how
Me just
Peaches?
bring my nails them. Girl, COVID did treat me too bad. Me did
Girl, me grudge you. That's how you get rid of the Godzilla fingernail them
Yeah.
still. No, sir. But how could I cause this? No, sir, Peaches, I do your eyelash them too.
Dr. Marina, watch me.
Girl, cause every wink you wink, a beer breeze a blow through the phone. I'm a know say you can't buy fan. I'm a know say you're not there
You
Elsha.
love boots me, you love boots
What?
me.
What?
We're just still interested in finding out more about the Jamaican language, so as I say the statements to you, you just tell me how you guys would translate it in patois. The first one is, oh my gosh, this is so amazing right now. Everybody come and look at this.
Kuya!
Okay.
Ano kuya?
Okay. Kuya. Okay, that's cool. Alright, the next one now. What you are doing right now is out of order, and I think it's best you leave the premises.
Kongguap! Kongguap!
Kong.
Kongguap!
Kongo.
Kongguap!
Okay, the next one is, I'm done helping you out. From now on, you're just going to have to suffer the consequences.
Stay there.
Okay, one more time. Oops, what?
Stay there.
Stay there.
Stay there.
Stay there. You need to stop what you're doing right now because I don't approve of any of this.
Hi, hello. Hi, hello. That's how we say it, man.
Oh, wait, that's how you say stop doing this?
Yeah.
Stop doing what you're doing?
Yeah, man. Hi, hello.
How? How is that? How is that even?
Hi, hello.
Sir, we can't hear what you say.
Boy, you a punk and
Sir,
you
you
told
have
me
to
to
talk
slide.
about it. We can't
Push
hear
away
what
and
you
go.
say. Take your barriers! Sir, hear that?
Anyways, who in the class can use the word cobra in a sentence?
Me, sir!
Only just one day. One day somebody else in that class will answer. Go ahead.
So, sir, one time when the cousin I come from foreign children and watch our documentary for this channel, and we saw a snake, and we asked him what kind of snake that. He said no. So we said, alright. I time he got the phone and they come home. He said, nah, babe. He said, what? He said, that water cold, bruh.
But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.
Cause you must feel like me a joke. One belt there. Boy, you must feel like me a joke, you know, man.
Marcy, you no kill him.
Feel me a joke, you know, man. How much time I talk to you? Eh? How much time? You not hear. You not listen. You not hear. You not listen. You not hear. You not listen. You not listen. You not listen. You not hear. You not listen. Yeah, man. How it feel? How it feel? You not hear.
We're gonna ear.
Been so busy, now what time for catch up. Shot my girl to her, we bust a sweater. Then after me gonna knock some leather. I won't have eyes just because. Just rise and be a man of ways. As a girl, me I look for wine pan. More ice than the can you have a vibe. Leave me alone, not drink walk one. Oh, life me know when I'm my time. So me I can do whatever I want.
Yo, tell me if you can come this now. Hear me, I say, Zane. Brother, make sure you're listening now. You see lightish orange wire, you mean the yellow card. Now that me just say you. Alright, you see the card there? Why you take your and go some bumps around your back, Zane? And so when you do that now, boom, it's supposed to flick off for a little pace and connect up. And if the power light come on now, that means red. But if it's Gigi, that means red. You see me say you have to go some Babson and do some back with the same thing. See? You understand what I say? Brother, you don't just give me the instructions. Dog, myself to go some bumps. No, never mind.
Hello, yeah. Ankle sacks? Ankle sacks? Okay, yeah. Come on. Alright. You guys smell like weed. I usually don't like, the smell of weed in the car, but it's okay.
Okay, man, say, yo, pussy, well, you mean, if you say nothing, man, just box down your blood clot and kick you down. No one step in your belly. Where you want to say a blood clot get? Because you go like afraid of you. Yes. Or frightened for bumbo all you. Yes. But show me never come out from that this morning. So where the bumbo all you talk about? Talk again and see if you no kick down your bumbo like no to. Yes. Him take off himself off a piece of gun. You see when me I show blood clot, you tell him, say, I will bust your blood clot head, boy. Don't play with me. So where my where the bumbo all you do? Show me a talk so soft to you and so nice to you. You feel like say cat mash down and get soft. Look, see me don't lick him, I cudger them make me not lick him. I don't give him a blood clot boxing in 2 years.
We are do that. You know you're not bad like me, you're not bad.
Who is you?
Keep your little ass quiet,
quiet man.
I don't know we are old dog and veteran long time.
Introducing live. Me new artist. Me ask him where him come from and him not answer. Straight from home, me don't know where him come from.
Me used to hungry at night. And you wake up to the bell from the pub. Till you both one broke like.
Eli. Remember when me hungry at night, me drink running water, full me belly from the pipe. No boy can't tell me about tough life. My mother took off when me actually back at 9. None of my parents raised me. Supposed to be a mother, then you will not a baby. A stranger as a boy and raised me. Sometimes them treat me good, sometimes them treat me unfair. If I never feel the mercy of God, no wouldn't there now. Me know who that is by now.
Weird. I can't help you. Wait, let me see. Hey, phone! Shoot! Sorry about that, ma'am. Yeah, I'm from the Texas area, and congratulations, you've won $5.5 million. Miss, wait. Phone! Remove this bitch! Miss, sir, hello, sorry about that. Okay, Miss, wait there. Back your info there now. Phone! See my chair, mash up my business. Oh! Miss, sorry about this. Hello, sorry about that, ma'am. Hello? Cause damn fool, they mash up my business.
This is for all foreigners. We Jamaicans will pronounce your name the way we want to, regardless of what you say. Oh no, my name's Heather. So now that me say, Bridget, Edda. Oh no, sir, Heather. Brother, me not been I say Edda right there, so you will not win. Because as far as names are concerned, we don't care. Women are in Jamaica giving birth to children and naming them things like Hyacinth. Yes, I just said it. There are women in Jamaica right now when name Hyacinth. And if you come to me with a name but we can't pronounce, God go with you because the first thing we spot by you and that's your name. So you better make sure your characteristics check out. Or you're going to put a name like Big Head, Bulby, Big Foot, Tall Man, Short Man, Slim as, Fluffy. And we only have 2 adjectives to describe when a person good or bad. When a person good, yeah man, you know says a jovial youth that man. When a person bad, yo, hypocrite. Hypocrite that. Yo, no, me just realize me no keep track of the day of the week again, you know. I swear this about me 5th Sunday in a March. A March really? No, March done. Days of the week no mean nothing to me again. As every morning me wake up at the same thing. Corona this, Corona that. But just I realize we reach a whole quarter of the year. And January take up a whole 3/4 of the year. Or remember say World War III nearly go on in a January. That no mean nothing now. Yeah man, America did go war in a January. But in a March, them end up a war the invisible enemy. How you gonna win a war where you can't see the enemy? Every morning I wake up a yard and I say, wow, Sunday again. The whole world pause. Right now, me get so used to doing nothing. Me don't know how it go if me start work again. Me literally I grow afro pa me locks. See of this lock up thing, me I'll start grow beard. Me not grow facial hair. No man, too much Sunday in a 2020, me not lie. More than 20 Sunday gone in a 2020. Me dare you to tell me what date today is. You're good for the even members say March done.
And I see we winning right now. Winning right now. Look how we